How is microgravity simulated for training astronauts? Imagine floating in space, feeling completely weightless as you move effortlessly through the air. That's what astronauts need to get used to before they go. So, how do we make that happen on Earth? Well, scientists and engineers have come up with some clever ways to mimic microgravity, the near-weightless environment found in space. One of the most common methods is underwater training in large pools called neutral buoyancy laboratories. These pools are huge, often over 100 meters long, and filled with thousands of tons of water. Astronauts wear special weighted suits and use buoyancy control devices to achieve a state called neutral buoyancy. This means they neither sink nor float, just like in space. They practice tasks like repairing spacecraft or working outside the International Space Station on full-sized Mockups. It's like practicing in space but on Earth, and it helps them get comfortable with moving and handling equipment in weightless conditions. Another way to simulate microgravity is by flying an aircraft that perform parabolic flights. These planes, often called the vomit Comet, climb steeply and then dive sharply, creating a freefall environment for about 20 to 25 seconds at a time. During this short window, everything inside feels like it's floating. Astronauts can practice floating, moving around, and working in weightless conditions without leaving the ground. It's a quick and effective way to get used to the sensation of microgravity. On the ground, mechanical systems like the active response gravity offload system are used. This system supports part of an astronaut's weight with a network of cables and an overhead crane. It senses how the astronaut moves and adjusts support in real time, allowing them to walk, bend, and perform tasks as if they were in space. This system can simulate anything from full gravity down to microgravity, making it very versatile for training. There are also tools like the precision air-bearing floor, which uses compressed air to make objects float on a thin layer of air. This helps astronauts learn how to move large pieces of equipment with minimal resistance, similar to how objects behave in space. Finally, there are full-scale mock-ups of spacecraft and space stations, like the Space Vehicle Mock-up facility. These models let astronauts rehearse emergency procedures, maintenance, and airlock operations in realistic settings. They can even communicate with mission control during these practice runs. All these methods work together to prepare astronauts for the challenges of operating in space. They help ensure that when astronauts step into microgravity, they are ready to move, work, and solve problems just like they would in orbit.